Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add ACS guns in Roblox Studio. So first of all, what you have to do is open your Roblox Studio and go to the View tab, and you have to make sure the Explorer, the Properties and the Toolbox is selected. Now once you have done that, what you have to do is go to the Model section, and in the search bar you have to type in ACS Official. Type in that and hit enter. Now you will see some search results. There's some ACS 1.7, 1.7.5, and each of them has some ratings. This has the lower rating 36%, 58%, 82%. For instance, I have selected 1.7.5 version, and as you can see, there are a lot of guns in here. Now what I will do, I will drop this down, and you will be able to see a lot of different options. For instance, ungroup in replicated storage. So I will ungroup this, and I will drag and drop this in the replicated storage file. Now I will ungroup this in the server script, so I will click on that. I will choose both files, and I will drag and drop them in the server script service here. Now after that, I will ungroup the third option for the footsteps in sound service. So I will drag and drop the footsteps in the sound service right there. And there's another option called in the starter character script. As you can see, there is no starter character script on there, but if I click on the starter player, you'll be able to see starter character scripts over here. So what I will do, I will drag and drop this to the character side, and there's this starter player script, and I will drag and drop this to the starter player script and ungroup in workspace. So what I will do, I will drag and drop this whole thing into the workspace. Just right there. Once I have ungrouped everything, what I have to do, I will click on play. I will go to the game settings, and then I will give it a title, new game, you can name it anything, and click on save. Once saved, you have to go to the game settings, go to the avatar, and you have to make sure to select this R6 version. And once you have selected that, you have to click on play, and you're done. And that's how you can add ACS guns in Roblox Studio. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.